Hey guys, welcome back to How To. Today we're learning how to draw an elephant drawn by one of my friends called Freya. So let's take you through the steps. So you need a piece of paper. Here's my piece of paper. So I forgot my webcam was right there. Then you're gonna need a pencil, piece of paper, pen. I've already said piece of paper, haven't I? Yeah. Pencil, piece of paper. Then you're ready to get started. So let's get started. First we need to draw the head. So the head really needs to be a big circle, quite big on your page. I've done it about that big. Don't know if you can see that. Then what you're going to do, leave a little bit of space for the trunk. That is what you need to look out for. You need to make sure you save space for the trunk down here. So it's going to be around there. Really? Sorry. There. This is so hard. Then I've already drawn a head, so I'm just going to rub the bit out where the trunk is going to go. Perfect. At the moment it looks like a duck or a balloon or something, but it's going to look better. I personally say you should do the trunk first. My friend says you should do another step. I think personally you're supposed to do the trunk, get the head done first. So now, yeah, do that. After that we draw the ears. So the ears are going to be big and round. I'm just going to go off the paper soon. I'm not the best artist, so I think yours are going to look better. Also join our Discord server to show us your drawings of your elephant. That would be great, we all want to see. Okay, draw the ears. Mine looks like a goat at the moment with a carrot for a nose, but okay, it's going to look better. Now we're going to draw two circles, one smaller than the other, overlapping the head. That's the ears, I've just realised. I'm reading off a script. Alright, so now I think personally I'm going to start doing the body. So you want to start the body sort of around here on the ear, and then come back down to the bottom for the first foot. Pause the video to get that done. Okay, hoping you've all done that. Now do the toes for that foot. There they are. Then do that. Let me show you. So actually for now, only do that. Sorry, I cannot see my camera that well. There. And then do, so it's sort of like a straight line to there. Do the toes on that. Only 3 like nail bump things. Then go behind, I can't see myself. Then go behind there and do 1 foot. Do not rush this, do take your time. Otherwise it might not look that good. See? Then where the trunk is, you're going to do another massive line. On my friend's photo, here it is, she has done the toe just beyond the trunk, but my trunk is a bit far ahead, so I've done it just behind there. But it should be around there if you get the head and proportions right. Now I'm going to move on to the face, how my friend has done it. You're going to do 2 semicircles on the face. That is your eyes. Then what she's done is done 2 lines there. So you should have this. Then I'm going to draw on the tail, which is almost like a tree, attached to the end. So that's what I've done. Any sort of tail, the tail doesn't really matter. And then that's most of your elephant done. But the reason I told you to do the eyes is because then just beneath this eye, what you're going to do is start doing the body. So it goes down, and now I'm going to go across. Okay, that is what I've done. Okay, I should do that again. I'm going to correct that though, because that does look a bit stupid. I'm not the best artist, and I've never done this before. It's really cool. So I've corrected myself. Just the curve looks better. This actually looks terrible compared to hers. It's okay though. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself for my art performance today. But yeah, that is how to draw an elephant. Perfect. I'm going to post this on the Discord server so you can all have a closer look at my terrible drawing. And I'm going to post Freya's. You can colour it in. So what she's done is completely blank face, a grey body, and then pink in this inner circle in the air, and then grey. Yeah, both the ears. And the face is completely white. The trunk, do put the markings on the trunk. It's definitely worth it. The tail is just completely blank. So you don't need to do that. But yeah, that's my elephant. Shout out to Freya for making this video of how to. It's not the longest episode ever, but I'm happy to be back, really. And thank you for Erin, who has been filling in. And also, thank you to those people who've been, those Lego fans, which I've seen in the comments, have been posting comments about our Lego productions, especially my friend Pedri's. One called Chicken Do Productions, thank you. Big Bricks Productions, thank you. You're really helping. Links in the description for another channel of mine called The Gaming Amigos. Very good stuff, check it out. Website, Discord, in the description, it's all down there. Anyway, for now, goodbye and see ya.